The state of Odisha stretches along the eastern coastline of India, celebrated for a lot more than its splendid beaches along the Bay of Bengal. Its most famous city is Puri. An ancient Hindu pilgrimage, Puri has for long been famous for the temple of Lord Jagannath, a unique jewel of the faith. Its rich and eventful history dates back as early as the 3rd century BC. The myriad reflections in Puri's heritage appear in architecture and sculpture, in fine arts and crafts, in dance and music. The culture of Puri for centuries has been continually renewing and rejuvenating itself through its several rituals, its colorful festivals, its living traditions. Early during the monsoon, it hosts Ratha Jatra, the world-famous chariot festival. At the height of the monsoon comes Jhulan, the swing festival. And the boat festival in the summer is called Chandan Jatra. Virtually every Puri festival is in some manner connected to the traditions and rituals of the temple and the myths surrounding its presiding deity, Lord Jagannath. Familiar motifs recur even in local paintings and in the themes depicting the happenings and the festivities. In Puri's busy calendar of festivals around the year, the one that is significantly different in character and pattern is the spring carnival called Sahi Jatra, locally called Sai Jato. Sai Jato is celebrated during the month of April or Chaitra every year over a fortnight, or 11 nights to be precise. It begins on Ram Navami, the birthday of Lord Rama. The outstanding feature of Sahi Jatra is the long winding grand procession that crawls through crossroads, transformed into arenas by the performers. They enact the Nagas and the Medhas of various gods, goddesses and demons through a unique combination of acrobatics, dances and tableau. In Sahi Jatra, classical dance is preserved through a blend with martial arts and stunt techniques. Sahi Jatra presents the world's largest open-air theatre with virtually 1,000 actors participating in the street play, partially militant in content, but on religious themes chosen from mythology. The stories are sourced mainly from the Ramayana and sometimes from the Mahabharata and the Dashavatara myth of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. The actor performing the Nrsimha avatar has particular significance. The fourth avatar of Lord Vishnu, the god is represented as half man and half lion. The name refers to the Sahis, or Puri's streets and localities, and to Jatra, that means festival or play. The performance of the street theatrical happening starts late in the evening and continues till daybreak. Sometimes a morning procession appears as well, but only with acrobats and other physical performers. Even older performers, often pushing to 80 years of age, come forward to exhibit prowess and muscle power with the Nijham, an instrument that weighs 50 kilograms. Human settlements in Puri have grown around the 7 major sahis or localities, all located around the Jagannath temple. They are the main organizers of the Sahi Jatra, with more than 40 further sahis under them. Each sahi contributes its own group of performers, inspired by a strong sense of competition with those from the other sahis. Each particular festival day is assigned to different ones among the 7 major sahis.
The interesting thing is, every sahi has a sahi for competition. Badi sahi is called Badi sahi. So, the procession of Sahi Yatra from a sahi, from a locality, goes to its Badi sahi in a competitive spirit.
The most visually arresting actor in the cast is the Naga, represented by a whole cult of Hindu holy men, a symbol of vigor and power, dressed like a warrior. Weapons like a shield, dagger and knife are placed around his body. A bead rosary adorns his neck. A bamboo mat is tied to his back. A heavy headgear crowns his head. The decoration of the character of the Naga is never seen anywhere else. Makeup and costume for the Naga is a painstaking and laborious affair. Only a well-built man can be cast in the role to carry the heavy attire and accoutrements. Almost similar to the Naga is the characterization of Parsuram. Parsuram is the 6th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Parsuram shares the power and the vigor of the Naga and symbolizes justice, often with ruthlessness and violence. The history of the holy city, the scene of many conflicts and battles, is reflected in the warrior-like manifestations of physical might in these characters. One of the oldest festivals of Puri, Sahi Jatra, is believed to go back to 1230 AD. At that time, the Meghanad Prachir, a massive boundary wall which now surrounds the Jagannath temple, had not been built, and it was the duty of the local people to protect the temple from its enemies. Strong young men were handpicked and trained to form the vanguard of the vigilantes who fought to save the temple. According to available records, Chodoganga Dev, the king of Puri in the 11th century, developed many forts, bastions, and gymnasiums to protect the holy city of Puri from invaders and infidels. The monarchical tradition still continues in the symbolic form of the Gajapati Maharaja, who is still revered as the king of Puri. He is, in fact, the principal Shebako, or servant, of Lord Jagannath and the temple. The royal residence is called Nahar, or palace, in the local tongue. The king still plays a vital role in the religious festivals. Each Sahi has its own Jagagharo, and around 80 of them in Puri were established to form the nucleus for the protection of the temple. Jagagharas were originally set up to empower the youth force physically, preparing them to encounter the invading external forces and to protect the temple of Lord Jagannath and Puri. Jaga in Odia means place, but some believe that the word Jaga is derived from the Sanskrit word Jagaran, that means arousal or awakening. Jagagharas are meeting places for the community with facilities to encourage physical fitness and musical skills, to relax and enrich both mind and body. Each Jagaghara has a pond, an adequate space for musical practice and physical exercise. The presiding deity in a Jagaghara is usually the ape god Hanuman, or sometimes goddess Durga. Since Hanuman is the god of masculinity, women are not allowed into Jagagharas. During the Sahi Jatra, the traditional weapons of the Jagagharas are taken out into the street in the grand procession, and their wrestlers get an opportunity to display their strength and skill.
Now, these Jagagharas have become a heritage site. My humble opinion is one should visit Jagannath temple, but he must not miss to visit a couple of Jagagharas to feel the pulse of the life of Puri. So one should never miss to visit a Jagaghara. He can feel the air of Puri, the vibration of Puri.
The ambience of Puri is clearly visible in the Sai Jato, where actors perform with power, vigor, and talent. Like the Durga Medha, Goddess Durga is portrayed either as Chaturbhuja with 4 hands, or Ashtabhuja with 8 hands, or Dasabhuja with 10 hands, and Atharabhuja with 18 hands. The excessive physical strain in the hot and sultry April summer sometimes demands a break or rest. But the actor never retires or accepts defeat. He gets up to perform again in a show of power, reluctant to take defeat. That is the spirit of Puri and the festival. Puri has traditionally believed in the good life and in the aggressive display of bravado. The highlight of the festival is the recreation of the Tandav dance by Lord Shiva, a dramatic episode from Hindu mythology. Building up stamina and perfection to perform needs vigorous practice and dedication. Strict training is conducted by veteran gurus. Young men forego their personal lives, leaving behind the luxuries and comforts of their homes to live for months of celibacy at the Jaga Gharo.
देख ना ये जो काटिकी आसिलु जो काटिकी आसिलु
Jaga Gharas impart training almost throughout the year, but it is intensive during the 2 months of preparation before the Sahi Jatra.
आ ये बहुत परिश्रम जिनस ही या कठिन परिश्रम देहर झाल न बाड़े ये कम किसी नुह ये गाय खाड़ा कम सब वीर कम ये सब धुरंधर ये कम सब साई जात्रा समय मैंने 2 मास पूर्वर एरा सब रहीकि सब खा पी के ये घर को जीवेनि ये रहीकि मैंने ये सब माने कंदर्प सब बांधिकी ये सब संयम जिनिस ये सब संयम रही घर को जीवेनि कौन स्त्री मुँह चाहिए ये 2 मास 3 मास तक ये पढ़ी ये सब कम सब शिखे
A modern lifestyle is gradually taking over in Puri, like elsewhere, but its youth still maintains the traditions of passion, dedication, and hard work. Regular practice and dedication is equally demanding for the singers and the musical accompanists.
गोड़ उठा यहाँ हूँ ढाल यहाँ हूँ सब शिकार करने गोड़ उठा ये कौन चलु
Rigorous practice and training is what is required from these passionate actors.
बांको छुरी
Fathers who used to perform in their youth have high hopes that their sons will follow the tradition and help to prepare them for the play.
अच्छा सर गोड़ उठाओ गुरु
the preparation to play Ravan is particularly demanding. The character of the demon Ravan is a celebrity, and the actor must carry out rituals directly at the temple of Lord Jagannath. He must complete his worship of Lord Vishnu, of whom Jagannath is the form, before performing on the streets. The other 9 extra heads and the 20 hands are fixed to a wooden plank or tati, which weighs almost 40 kilograms and must be carried as the actor chants slokas in Sanskrit. In Puri, and especially in Sahi Jatra, Ravan is adored and revered. His significance is even greater than the epical hero Rama, and supporters like Lakshman and Hanuman, Angada and Sugriv, among others. For a month before the festival, Ravana must follow a strict vegetarian diet. The actor playing Ravana does not dance, but emotes and carries himself in a traditional style, expressing virata, that connotes power and courage. Ravana is a vital character in Sahi Jatra. His rituals with Lord Jagannath connect him directly with the faith and a significant religious legacy.
ये जो परंपरा से दशावतार आदि के चरित्र को लेकर झांकियाँ प्रस्तुत की जाती हैं वो विलुप्त ना हो, उनको सांस्कृतिक दृष्टि से समाज अपनावे और यह प्रथा हमारी चलती रहे। साथ ही साथ केवल तात्कालिक मनोरंजन तक यह प्रथा प्रभाव न डाले, उसके साथ कुछ ऐसी चेतना शक्ति, प्रवचन की भावना, ऐसा दृष्टिकोण भी प्रस्तुत करना चाहिए ताकि व्यक्ति प्रेरित होकर सदा अपने अस्तित्व और आदर्श की रक्षा के लिए, प्रशस्त मानबिंदुओं की रक्षा के लिए कटिबद्धता का परिचय दे सके।
A folk legend by himself, Harihar Sahu, popularly known as Harina, is almost 70 years old. In his youth he played the role of Naga for many years, and its replica is still a permanent fixture on his bicycle. Almost perpetually caught in a trance, he cannot distance himself from the legacy he carries. Traditional ornaments of the Naga are still part of his dress.
मते एकदम भल लगिला कहीं ना 5 जनों कथारे टिके कान पड़ा मतलब ना नागाटे सैकेल बसईदेला बसईदे चलुव गोटे सतक पूरी टाउन न
Sahi Jatra through the centuries has come to represent a cult where a fusion has been created between physical prowess and musical skills. A fusion that takes its strength from the common people of Puri, right at the street level.